Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Amazing Ananya. This is me Ananya and today we are at Bejawada Dhaba in Vijayawada for lunch. Guys, here we are traveling from Pidugurala to Vijayawada to eat the Bahubali Thali in Bejawada Dhaba. Here you can see a brick factory. It's near to Pidugurala. And I can see a lot of bikes, vehicles and trees. There are a lot of farms and farmers are working in their fields. And here it's a narrow road and I enjoyed this experience a lot. Here we are at the main road. We are not in the outskirts anymore. We are in the main road. Here we are at Mangalgiri and as you can see we are at Panakala Narasimha Swami temple right on the hill as you can see. And while we are going to Vijayawada we saw this Indian flag. It was really big. It was near and police headquarters. And here you can see Prakasam barrage. This is the Krishna river and we are crossing it. Bejawada Dhaba in Vijayawada for lunch. Now we're going to go inside and eat it with my family. Let's go. Guys, when we go inside the hotel, there are different types of sitting positions. Once you can sit normal in a table, you can sit up like a chair, like a sofa, and here you can sit on Nawar beds. These are really old and you can also sit on the top beds. And there are different types of sitting positions in this hotel. In a small place they have architecture really well with the sitting positions and everything. We have chosen the top bed to eat the Bahubali Thali and I am going up the ladder. I got the feeling of eating in a train. And when we went up we saw these Mexican paintings, Mexican influenced paintings on the walls, and they are lanterns instead of lights. They have set it up like this with a small table on the top, and they have decorated the top with cloths or blankets. Here down as you can see there are different types of sitting positions, and beside us there is another table down. And I really like the decoration of this hotel, and the paintings were really cool as you can see on the door. And this is how they set it up. They give sanitizer to every single person who enters the hotel. And my dad is coming up the ladder. I felt really cool doing this experience. And we have ordered the Bahubali Thali and chicken lollipop. And I am excited to eat the Bahubali Thali.
So, hi Ananya.
So
what are
it
you
was
waiting for?
really big when I saw it and the taste was really amazing.
What do you
So
think?
I am going to show you guys with all the items which come in the Bahubali Thali. It is really big and it has 38 items. We ordered the veg Bahubali Thali with some buttermilk. They gave the buttermilk in a jug which was made out of mud, which keeps the buttermilk cool. So this is how big the veg Bahubali Thali looks. Now let's see all the items in the Bahubali Thali. So first I'm going to show you guys the size of the Bahubali Thali. So you can put it on the table since we are eating up on the bed. So this is an overview of all the items in the Bahubali Thali. First we have paneer pakoda. And we have bitter gourd, and we have another type of paneer gravy. And we have mushroom curry, some curd, a bucket of sambar, a mini bucket of sambar, a brinjal gravy curry. This is a type of sweet, some halwa, They gave us 2 chutneys. And here we have cabbage pakoda. We have baby corn, bitter gourd. And this is another type of gravy curry. Again we have brinjal. That is like a veg cutlet. This is another paneer gravy curry. And this is again the paneer pakoda. And that is pakoda. And that is a different shaped cutlet. This is some dal. We have it with some raita and curd. They gave it us with 2 rotis and 1 biryani rice and 1 normal rice. It's basically biryani. So this is how big the Bahubali thali looks, and it also came with some papaya fruits. And it also came with another type of sweet which we call payasam. So guys, this looks really yummy. And my mom, my dad and me could only complete half of the thali, and the other half of the thali we could not complete it. So we completed this half of the thali, but we could not complete that half of the thali because it was so big for us. And I am still eating it. So we can drink the buttermilk. I really love the taste of the buttermilk. It was really cool since it had been some time since they bought it. Wow guys, it tastes really yummy. I had a really satisfied lunch. Thanks for watching.